using a search engine for job search. You've probably used Google or other browsers like Bing or Yahoo to search the web. If you try searching for jobs, you'll usually get links to recruitment or company websites. But if you have a Google account, you can now see vacancies directly in the search results. If you don't have one, you can easily create a free account. Then try typing in job titles and locations. You can use the words jobs near me, or add keywords like entry level or apprenticeship. You can save jobs you like and come back to them later on. You can filter results by job type, location, or even employer. And if you like the results, you can ask Google to automatically alert you as new matches are available. Wherever you log in with the same Google account, you'll be able to find your saved jobs and alerts, even on your smartphone. But do remember, if you're using a public computer, you must sign out from your Google account to prevent others seeing your details. Some browsers also ask if you want them to save your password, and you should never do this on a public computer.